going to unveil in such a colorful manner that the cultural extravaganza, Kalasangama, a day to redefine the trends. The most awaited days are here. You might have already felt the atmosphere is tuned with high enthusiasm and eagerness to perform, to compete for a place and honor. TTC on the height of privilege with high honor to host the mega event Kalasangama 2017. We cordially welcome all the participants from various centers of NDTF in the traditional Kerala style. Swagatham, Suswagatham.
That base of honor, yeah, we can see the eagerness and excitement in each and every eyes here. More than 300 participants from 17 centers have gathered here today and much eagerly waiting to compete with each other for a place and honor.
With high honor to ceremoniously host the function, I welcome you all to the NTTF Inter-Unit Cultural Competition, a day of cultural extravaganza, a day of colors and music where the magical foods play on the stage. മാന്ത്രിക ചുവടുകൾ നൃത്തം വയ്ക്കുന്ന വേദിയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും ഹൃദ്യമായ സ്വാഗതം. A bit traditionally, welcome.
It's a place where the history resides. Our main hall where we all have gathered is named as Herman Gundert Hall. In the memory of a great personality who is the pioneer in the Indian education system, whose contribution way more for the translation of Indian ethnic languages, the first Malayalam English dictionary and the first Malayalam grammar book was his contribution. He is a person with PhD in theology and the foreign languages.
On this golden sands of history, the golden letters, Telicheri, a place cradled in the nape of nature. It's a place you'll find everything immersed in beauty. Talasheri, fondly known as Talasheri. Talasheri is the central town of Kerala, nested at the shore of Arabian Sea and immersed in vibrant culture, steeped in rich history and heritage. This beautiful town is bonded with plethora of sightseeing options, including beaches, historic monuments, and mesmerizing picnic spots. This town was one of the earliest British settlements in the state. Talasheri was been established in 1663, 400 years before, by the British for the pepper and cardamom trade. It has been originated from the ancient Malayalam linguistic usage, that is, Tala means head and Kacheri means officer. Thus, Talasheri is the head of officers. Apart from the finest pepper and cardamom that is exported, it is a land of 3 C's. You may be familiar with what is QC, but do you know what the 3C is? Do you know what the 3C is? No. So, I'll tell you, can you imagine India without cricket? Can you? Can you imagine a world without World Cup? No. So, first time in the history, a British colonel, Arthur Wellesley, he has introduced cricket here in Talasheri in the early 1800s. So that is the first C about the history of Talasheri, cricket. The second C goes to the circus. In the history, the world-renowned circus companies and the world-renowned circus artists are from Talasheri. That is the second C. And the third C, I'll ask you, without a birthday cake, can you imagine your birthday? Will your birthday be complete without a birthday cake? Yes or no? So then you should remember the history of Talasheri, because for the first time in India, a cake was baked in the factory here by Mamballi Bapu. So that is the third C, cake. So Talasheri is the land of 3 C's. So that's our Talasheri. So now you are at the cradle where civilization originated, where culture prevailed in the midst of high varying diversities. Our Talasheri, the lap of history.